guys, today is Wednesday. I'm gonna start by assembling these chairs for the dining table, and then there are 2 mirrors that I'm gonna hang on either side of this window just so it lets in a little bit more light. I also managed to put together these 2 chairs and order this little table for our little outdoor patio. Still haven't put the mirrors up yet, but we did get the chairs finished. There are 3 more packages I have to assemble. This one is a chair that's going to go right here. Then we have my vanity mirror, and last a dresser. So I'm gonna try to put together this chair and ottoman. It's supposed to look something like this when it's finished. They sent me this box and it's completely empty. But I guess we'll see if anything's supposed to be in there. Hey Moose, are you gonna help me out? No. This is the finished product. It was super easy to put together. Now we have the chair, which needs an actual drill to screw these in. So I'm gonna try that and show you guys when it's done. These things are harder than they look to put in. I already lost a nail. I have 9 left though, and only 1 more thing to put on. So I think it's looking pretty good. Are you freaking kidding me? I was on the last screw and my nail completely fell off. 1 more to go and this is what happens. So, look how cute this is. And yes, I have to squeeze past this thing to get down there because there are a lot of other furnitures that I can't lift right now. But look at this. Look how cute this is. Yes. And I could just, look at this, look at this. Oh my God, I could just sit here and look outside and have like a little screen door there. This is cute, you guys. This is adorable and I love it. And yes, I carried this thing all the way down the stairs through these boxes, but I think it was worth it. A little progress update. I lost 2 more nails.
Yeah, you drilled into the other side of the mirror because there was nothing there in front of it, okay? So we're gonna drill through here where there is something.
Don't drop the screw, step 1. So I'm going to attempt to do this one myself. I got all the tools laid out here, and I'm just going to try and put it in the center of this wall. Next, I'm doing this adjustable shelf. I'm going to put it right in between this space and the cabinet. This one is super easy to assemble because there's no tools. You just pop these into the little sides, and they're all done. So we built this entertainment center next, which is super cute. It totally ties into all the color schemes of the room, and it has these adorable barn doors. Second to last piece of furniture is this vanity, and then we have 1 more dresser drawer to assemble, and then that's it, you guys. I think that's enough for tonight, but the first thing I'm going to do tomorrow is build that dresser. So see you tomorrow. It's finally Friday and it will be the last day I'm building furniture, whether I like it or not. All we have left to do is build this 1 dresser and then that's it. So after that, hopefully I'll be able to show you guys the full house tour. This is the in progress shot, but this is the worst piece of furniture I've ever received. They sent us some pieces that were painted on the wrong side. Some of the drawers, they're all built, but some of them are extremely wobbly. The screws won't even fit in place. This is a South Shore dresser. I ordered it from Wayfair and I do not recommend it. That's it, you guys. We managed to finish finished this with extra parts from other projects, and I cannot believe I am finally finished. So get ready for the house tour. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy.